Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And here we've got some options which we can customize, however, they are not visible. I'm talking about the date and time. We've got only the time zone here. It is because we are using the automatic option. So first of all, we have to turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. And now we can freely tap on date and change the date just by swiping. So firstly, the day, and then month, and then a year. Confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just tap on it and then swipe and confirm it. We can also change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got the regions which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. So for example, this one. Of course, it will be immediately applied and it will also affect the time you've set manually. Here we've got the option to use dual clocks. You can turn it on and off just by using the switcher. And basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second one from another place of your choice. What is more, here we can change the time format, so you can use either the 24-hour time, which is currently applied, or you can turn it off and set 12-hour format, so it's totally up to you. That was the manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to previous settings just by tapping on the switcher to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.